Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe. I'm Susan Velesi, and in today's video I'm in the village. I just want to show you how we normally light the fire. We want to light this fire here. We want to cook githeri, or it's just a mixture of maize and beans, or corn with beans. Some people call it corn and others call it maize, but we just maize with beans, the mixture of maize with beans. So we are preparing this fire here, guys, because you want to cook githeri. We call it githeri in Kenya. If you are not in Kenya, githeri is the mixture of beans and maize, or beans and corn. So that's why we are lighting this fire here. So guys, that's a firewood. You are making we're making firewood, but that's just a wood that you are cutting it into small pieces so that you can light the fire. So my husband is helping me to light the fire. So he's making the wood, or the firewood, so that you can light the fire. So we are cutting that wood into small pieces so that you can light the fire. So my husband is helping me to light the fire, guys. How nice of him. You can see how beautiful our village is, guys. Our village is so beautiful. Beautiful trees. So we were sitting there, and that chair and that mat there, we were sitting there. That's our garden. We planted maize. You see that this is the tree for tamarind tree. That one, tamarind, is it called tamarind? So that's tamarind tree. Is just on our compound. So guys, and now my husband is preparing the fire. He wants to light the fire, guys, so that you can cook. If you're not from Africa, in most African villages we normally use the 3 stones to cook. So you just place the 3 stones the way we've placed it, guys. Then you take your firewood and put it there. You place your firewood there, guys. Then you light it. Then you're going to take your pot and place it on top of that of those 3 stones, and you cook, guys. And that's the fastest way of cooking, guys. It's fast. The 3 stones cooks faster even than a cooking gas or an electric cooker, guys. That cooks very fast, guys. Our meal will be ready with no time, guys. So let's light the fire, guys, and prepare our meal, our traditional meal. So guys, our fire is ready. Our fire is ready now. Now we want to cook our githeri. So we want to cook our githeri, guys. add maize here. And these are fresh maize from the farm, direct from the garden. So guys, now we want to add the beans. After putting the maize, now we will put the beans. So guys, we're going to cook them until they're soft. We're just going to cook them. After that, we're just going to cook them like that until they're soft. Then we are going to fry them. Later, when they are well cooked, we are going to fry them with onions and tomatoes. Yeah guys, so that's the process. Just we want to cook them until they're soft. So that's it guys. So guys, this is later and our githeri is ready. As you can see, it looks nice, it's soft. So I brought it inside the house. I want to fry it here in the house using this small cooking gas. So let's fry our githeri guys. So guys, I just fried the onions till they turned golden brown. Then I added our tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, I waited for the tomatoes to soften. After our tomatoes soften, I'm adding this spice. It's a chicken spice. I really love this spice. It's the only spice that I'm going to add to our food. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you. So guys, our githeri is ready. You can see it looks so yummy. And the maize or the corn, they're very soft. These are soft corns, guys, or soft maize. I cooked my githeri with soft maize. It's so yummy and delicious. So it's time to eat.